Hi guys, Coach Karina here. Just wanted to make a quick little video of a fun craft that you can do at home using materials that you may find around the house. Feel free to do this with siblings or parents or whoever may be taking care of you during this time. I hope that you are keeping busy, doing fun things, and hopefully soon we will be able to return to school. But for now, take care of yourself. Try to have fun. Get started. So to begin, the materials you'll need is a piece of paper, a paper toilet tube, glue. If you don't have glue, you could use tape or stapler, scissors, and then colors or markers, whatever you have, a pencil or marker, and cotton if you have some. If you don't, that's totally fine. So to begin, we will be measuring how long we'll need the paper for the tube, and then I'm going to glue it to there. So from there, we'll cut down in a straight line. It's okay if it's not straight, but try to keep it kind of straight. And then we'll wrap it around the tube. And then it overlaps around here. So I'll be cutting the excess paper off. And then this is where we'll be gluing the paper onto the tube. Like I said, if you don't have glue, you can use a staple or you can use tape. But I will be using glue. And then that's where it overlaps. And then if you want to really have it stuck on there, you can put another piece of tape over it or more glue over it. Okay. And then after this, you get the paper that you had left over, and you will be drawing 2 little bunny ears, since we are creating a bunny. It's okay if they're not perfect, just draw them however best you can. And then you can color them whatever color you'd like. I chose baby blue. And then the inside of the ear, I will be doing it in pink. And then once those are ready, you can go ahead and cut them. And it's okay if they're not perfect. And then we will be gluing those to the very top of the tube. So I'm going to put the glue at the bottom of the ear and on the back. And that will go on there, towards the top. And then the other one, you'll do the same. Glue at the bottom and the back. And that goes at the top of the tube. And then with your marker, we'll be creating the eyes. You can make any type of eyes that you want. And then a nose, which was an upside down triangle. The whiskers, and then the little mouth. You can create anything else that you want to add to it. And I'm gonna give it a little tummy. And my tummy, I will be coloring it pink. And I don't know if I said it before, but you can color your bunny whichever color you want. And you can color it beforehand, or you can color it once the paper is on the tube, with whatever you'd like. And then now for the little cotton tail, I'm gonna put some glue on the back. And then I'll place the little cotton ball, and there you go, you got a little bunny.